do we do to love when everything's said and done? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love when everything's said and done? What do we do to love?
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel.
I wake up, flex, thumb down, that check, no drip, this wet.
Today we are gonna do a bridal try-on makeup. So yes, makeup is back on my channel. I miss doing makeup, so even this get only 3 views, I don't care. I want to do my bridal try-on. Enough of the babbling. If you did like this video, make sure to subscribe right now. Do not forget, you know, okay, you know I'm cool, you know. Okay, so make sure also to like hit that notification bell, like let that you know what I do on video. I do videos each Sundays. I will sadly doing back on Wednesdays because I do miss like doing videos on Wednesdays. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, now let's get started. I think this is gonna be like a long video, so grab your cup of tea. Let me see what it says. That one is a good one. I'm not a magician, but I can make the chocolate box go away. That's true. This is a diet tea, by the way. I do not believe in like a tea gonna make you lose weight, but I do think that it can make your digestion go better. So we are gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury instant turnaround moisturizer. I already like did moisturize my face. Actually doing this video for me also to see like what I did use, maybe like on the D-Day, like what did I do with my face, you know. This is the first one. I may do another one. I put too much cream. I may do another one. Stop. Why? Lord, come in at me. I'm okay. I have started like trying this Instant Magic by Charlotte Tilbury before the makeup, and I do it like sometimes, you know, because I don't know, I just feel like it's bougie with the MAC Shrub. So I'm gonna mix this with my foundation, but I just want to like have a glow before it. Corona, this is by Zoeva, and it's like a luminous but in a box, and I don't want like to be plain. Have this is by Purpose Prime. I hope they do it because I'm gonna go at MAC. You can either do this with this a red concealer for dark skin, and for lighter skin do it with an orange concealer. First thing about the wedding, so the first thing I'm gonna talk about is my weight loss. So I have started losing weight. I'm happy, but I'm not losing enough, you know. I'm not eating. I have lost some weight, but the fact that you also are doing gym time and muscle, it does play. So the thing that really helped me doing like this like weight loss thing, I'm not gonna lie, is the fact that I did not travel either January or February. Like January I did not travel, and February did not travel. Like this weekend is wedding weekend, so it's basically like, you know, make sure I like going to see everything for the wedding, for wedding prep. So I'm just like gonna put more here. So this is to get me in the spirit, you know. So I know how I have to eat to lose weight. So, and I've been hitting the gym so much, you know, your girl been, oh my god, I wanted to try, I didn't prime my face. I did not prime my face. So normally I did buy this. This is by Hourglass and I love it. And I was like, I'm gonna like, this is gonna be my primer for DD. But then Jackie Aina, she came like each video she does have like this by Milk. So this is the travel size, guys. The formula is crazy. Oh my god. So I did just prime only here in the so I'm gonna take Laura Mercier in medium deep. This is a translucent powder. Taking another booty blender, and I'm just gonna, so I do this after that I have prime and after that I have cancel, because like it's like such a, like it does like put a great canvas. I only do it where I know that my makeup moves, and let's not lie to myself, is here on the nose. So this one is the translucent powder, but the shiny one, and because I want a little glow, I'm going with that. When this palette came out, I was like, oh, I'm gonna use this for my wedding. I was like, before I was like gonna use the Tartar, but I was like, I'm gonna use this. So I'm gonna use this one. And I don't know if you guys remember this one. This one is like an old MAC one. And when I used to be a makeup artist, I used to like only use this on brides. It's like a soft glam palette, and what is the Raw Neutral, like for 15 shades. I don't know if they still do it, but this is so good whenever I need to do makeup on people. Using the Revolution one and C12. This is Revolution Super Size Concealer and Define. So 1 dot, 2 dot, 1 dot, yeah, oh, 2 dot, let's go, oh, 3 dot, let's go. This is not the song. Cha-cha Rasmus. If you know what song I'm talking about, subscribe, because definitely you're a real one. Okay, now my eyes is primed. I'm gonna let it sit, and after I'm just gonna put a little powder, translucent, white translucent powder. I'm just gonna draw my arch that I can drag it down. Let's talk wedding. So for my eyes, of course I'm gonna use ginger. I'm treating myself just like a client. I'm not joking. So this is my first trial, then it's so sure about my second trial. You guys need to. If you are doing your own makeup for the wedding, do not go blind and do it like we'll see. No. We don't have time to see it. We don't have time to see. So yeah, wedding stuff. First thing about wedding is stressful. And I started like doing, this is too small, I don't have time for this. So I started doing my wedding organization. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. So yeah, I started like with my future hubby, doing the whole wedding organization stuff. So this, I'm still with Ginger, and I started about like 1 year and 6 months ago, because I didn't want to be on a rush. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm now gonna take credit. So today we are going for a soft glam look. Yeah, I just wanted to breathe and have fun. So this is my eyes right now. I'm gonna take edges now, and I'm just gonna blend it all over the eye. So yeah, after like stuff happens, like people that you were talking like to do stuff with, they like cancel on you, and you're like what, in the middle, and then do like this. This is a hooded eye trick, like that you can see where you need to go, and just blend them together because I really want it to be blenderful. You know, when I did tell you guys that I don't know how to do simple makeup, this is what I'm talking about. Sorry, with the wedding. Yeah, so organizing the wedding is almost done. I have everybody and I will be seeing everybody like this weekend, so I'm very happy because we're getting there. So, black liner or not, when I do wear falsies, I always eyeliner, but I should buy a waterproof one. So I'm gonna do my liner, finish the rest of the eyes, and then we'll get back to my face in 1 second for you. Okay, so I'm back just to show you what falsies that I'm gonna use. So these are on AliExpress that I did buy and I really like them, so I'm just gonna pop that and we are gonna finish the look. Okay, I'm back. Lashes is on, eyes is done. So I went a little bit too dark. I knew it. But we are gonna continue and see how the whole face turns out. So for foundation, I am gonna use basically NARS in Natural Radiant Longwear. I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer I'm gonna take this one. This is Revolution in C12.5. So yeah, then for like a lot of stuff that I have been seeing, I think I did put like three pumps. Then Stroke did not want for my wedding to cost a lot of money. Like, I'm not gonna say it's a budget wedding. I'm not gonna say that because it's not. Clearly, I'm not gonna know that we like, and we did look. I did like DIYs because like some of stuff I'm like, bitch, where do you think I'm gonna pay? Me? I'm gonna do it myself. But like for food, for drinks, like we went a little bit good. Like it's not crazy, but we are happy with what we are spending. Okay. So while I'm letting this sit, taking my Fenty, you guys know this. She don't need no introduction. With like a small brush, just like do you. This is by Morphe, is the M359. It's very good for foundation, but I love it for my contour. I'm ready to do my brows. So for the brows is for the brows. Benefit. See how my brows is so natural, but my eyes ain't. Okay, let's blend. So everything is quite blended, and I'm just gonna jump and like mix it. So I have my Laura Mercier, so I have mixed Laura Mercier and Sacha Buttercup and a little bit of the Laura Mercier in medium deep, just a little. Okay, stay down, stay. Stay. I'm like joking with you guys, but it's not a joke. Can you see? Yes, honey, yes. And then on the nose, I leave a lot. Now, before I go, I'm blending these babies together. Am I the only one who struggle with her hair, who is not respecting her. And to highlight, oh yes, if it is a day that I'm gonna highlight my inner corner eye, it's gonna be this day. So you know you're gonna take a fix, but I'll see. So you're gonna take your face, but it's gonna tap it down. And we are gonna take Zam. Oh, trust issues. Zam or trust issues. Let me remind myself. Let me remind yourself. Zam. No, trust issues. Trust issues. Well, I hope on that day I don't have trust issues, you know, because that would be crazy, you know. So while this is still setting, I have this new mascara. This is by Tarte. It's Lights Camera Lashes. Gonna blend mine and theirs together. Of course, I'm using Bobbi Brown in Brows and Powder. In deep. Do this need any introduction? Has been on my channel since day one. This is by Golden. So yeah, Milani Golden. This is just to like bring me some life, a little bit of life, you know. I'm taking everybody out of my face, you know, right now. Everybody. I can see the highlight from. Yes, you can too. Look, the highlight from beneath. So I have this palette by MAC that I did myself. This is the brush that I use a lot, so we are gonna go with this. I'm gonna mix. Okay, this is where I have my natural light. So okay, you don't see? Let me show you. Yes. I use Emrazy Anastasia's with Jaclyn Hill. So I'm gonna use this one because it's closer and you guys are gonna see the payoff is gonna be bomb. Okay, so in order to highlight, you need a highlight. This is by Anastasia, the best money I ever spent for my highlight. Okay guys, the video is done. Oh my god. Quick review for me. So this is darker, so I will not use a darker color like this, but other than that, the face, can't you see the glow falling from above? Okay, I'm done. So you guys, thank you for watching this video. It was my pleasure sharing with you my wedding look that I'm maybe gonna do. I think this is gonna be it. My wedding look, my bridal ensemble, you know, going through this has been so refreshing. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel right now. Hit the notification bell if you like this type of videos. I'm done. This was a rapid for me in my head though. Bye.